June 25, 2025. Simple welfare check on scooter guy turns explosive. Call the federal government. Demands escalate to taser deployment. Body cam captures every defiant second. Dollar store calls police about Otis. I was at the bus stop, not the store. Officers verify info politely. Summit County recycling scooter claim seems legit until warrants ping.
Where's he at?
Josh!
Hello.
You're here looking for scooter guy, huh?
Yeah, we'll just see you.
So, he's still over there? He went that way, turned right at that building, that road there.
On Blaine?
Yep. And from what I can tell, his scooter is dead. So
Okay.
he's like,
Gotcha.
he shouldn't be moving very fast.
All right, cool. I'll go check on him. Thank you. Otis, what's up? You okay? Somebody called about you back there. Somebody at the dollar store.
About
Were you
me?
just were you just in the dollar store?
No,
Oh, okay.
I was at the bus stop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but they called us to
I ain't-
check on you.
Yeah,
So.
I ain't going there or nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, I was at the bus stop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I ain't with them. I ain't doing that. Pushing my scooter so I can get it fixed.
I got you. So real quick, I just want to get your info to state that I did talk to you, checked on you, and made sure you're okay. All right.
Yeah, I'm cool.
All right, cool. For some reason, they wanted us to check on you.
Yeah, I'm cool. I've been pushing on. I'm cool. What they do to
Wanted to
me?
run for 6 and 7.
You run out of power?
7, 9,
Yeah,
Yeah.
6, 8.
How's this thing charged?
7,
by power, by the battery pack.
Where's, okay, so it's like inside.
Yeah.
I don't have one, so that's why I'm saying.
Now, are these the ones that we get from like the city, or is this yours?
This is some account. This is some recycling. Yeah.
Cool.
So this is Summit County?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought it was like your own.
So I'm cool. Can I go, man? I ain't. doing that.
As soon as I verify some things, and you'll be good to go. Okay.
Yeah.
You don't got no warrants?
Hopefully not. I ain't did
Hopefully
nothing.
not.
I'm with the federal government. I got badges. Otis insists. Officers stay professional. We get calls, we respond. Tension builds as he demands to leave repeatedly.
Hopefully not.
Yeah, I'm with the federal government.
You said you work for the federal government?
No, I'm with the federal government. I
Oh,
got
you
property
did.
here.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long you been out?
I've been up. What you mean?
Like, you meant you went to the prison?
No, I'm with the federal government.
Oh, you're with them?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do with them?
I got property that's under them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. We're not here to hem you up, we're just here to, we get a
I'm
call, we
cool.
gotta respond, you know how that goes.
That's cool.
Well, you can't leave yet, so hold on. Just gotta make sure you don't got any warrants.
I ain't got no warrants, man. I'm
Well,
cool.
look it.
I'm not saying, man.
Listen, you
Y'all
keep
call
trying to walk away, I'm
but y'all
gonna
call
pick up.
y'all,
We're
I
trying
ain't
to be
did
cool,
nothing.
aren't we, Otis?
Yeah, but I ain't did nothing. Y'all calling for some.
I didn't call. They called. We're
Y'all
just doing
calling
our
for
job,
crazy
okay?
stuff about my scooter, man.
No, it's not, has nothing to do with your scooter.
They said what they said. I wasn't. That
They
wasn't.
said that you were in the store
I
and that
wasn't
they
in the
have
store.
issues for you and they wanted us to check on you.
I wasn't in the store, so I've had issues. If I wasn't in the store, I was at the bus stop.
Yeah, I don't know.
I was at the bus stop, so that's not in the store. That's nowhere near the store.
I agree. You're not in the store if that's where you
That's
in fact
crazy.
were
I'm
at.
not going for that, man. Y'all trying to stop me from
Don't
that
touch
reason.
me. Otis pulls away violently. You're going to get tased. Officers warn repeatedly. He drops scooter, fights handcuffs. I ain't did shit. Pure chaos unfolds.
For no reason. Y'all trying to stop me for no reason.
Otis, just stop, Otis.
Hold on, man. I'm gonna put your hands on me. Don't put your hands
You're going to get tased. Stop right now or
What?
you're going to get tased.
What
Put
you
your hands behind your
on me
back.
for what?
Otis, now.
Now,
I ain't did shit, man.
Otis, put.
I ain't did shit,
going
man.
to get
I'm not.
tased.
Why you keep touching me? Why you keep touching me?
I'm trying to give you the chance. to
I ain't
not
did
get tased.
nothing.
Put the bag down, Otis.
I'm not putting my back. I ain't did shit. Don't touch me, man. I ain't did shit, man. Now get off me, man. Get the fuck out. Go off me, man.
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
ain't did shit.
Hands behind your
I
back.
ain't did shit.
24
I ain't
minutes.
did
for
shit,
student
man.
supervisor for
Do it again.
taser.
Do it again.
Go on.
Hands behind your back. Get your other hand behind your back now.
Tase me, man.
Sure, go ahead.
Get your hand behind your other back now.
I ain't did shit.
Otis,
I ain't
put
did
your
shit.
hand behind your back.
Man, I ain't did shit.
Get your other hand behind your back now.
I ain't did shit. Man, I ain't did shit.
You're going to get another one.
Dude.
You're going to get another one, Otis.
I ain't did shit. How y'all gonna tell you?
When I tell you you're not free to leave, that doesn't mean run away. So now you're going to get obstructing.
Man, I got badges too.
Pull your arm out, Otis, or you're going to get it again.
Call the federal government, man. Can you call the federal government? Can you call the federal government?
No, put your hand behind your back.
Come on.
Thank you. That's
call
all
the
you had to
federal-
do from the jump.
Can you call the federal government? You gotta call the federal government, man. Y'all can't even arrest me. Acting police can't even arrest me. You gotta call the federal government.
24, I'm back in line.
She says
So
you're
did
detained,
you
you're
have
detained, bro.
any info
For what?
for Otis?
I ain't do
Doesn't
why you taking
matter.
my watch off? Why you taking my watch off? You taking my watch?
I got me.
You gotta call the federal government, man.
Listen, we're past that. We were
What you
cool
mean?
with you. We gave you several opportunities.
You gotta call
You
the
wanted to
federal-
run
y'all
from
can't
us.
even
Now
arrest
you're
me.
going to jail.
Y'all can't even arrest me. You can't even arrest
Well,
me.
you're
You gotta call
arrested,
the-
Otis.
You gotta call the federal government.
You're
to arrest me.
arrested, Otis.
You gotta call the federal government to arrest me.
Okay, Otis.
You have to.
Handcuffed but unbroken. Y'all can't arrest me. Africans can't arrest me. Call federal government. Repeats endlessly. Warrants confirm. Multiple felonies. Reality crashes
You
down.
have to.
I'm gonna
Is he
need you
not
on your
giving
side
me-
real quick.
You gotta call the federal government to arrest me, man.
We've got EMS coming to check you out.
You gotta call the federal government to arrest me.
Okay.
I'm not under arrest. You gotta call the federal
Well,
government.
you are under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Obstructing.
Obstructing what?
Sounds like you got some warrants here. I'm waiting to confirm.
You gotta call the federal government to arrest me.
Okay.
I got badges.
So do
You
we,
wanna switch it to
Otis.
the-
I got badges for Akron too.
That is called for you.
Who? On leads?
You gotta call the federal government.
Tell them I'm on leads.
24's on leads.
You have to call the federal government to arrest me.
You want to sit him up?
Hey, fair.
You want to sit up on your butt?
No, I'm
Make sure
cool.
you don't have
You
any
good like
weapons
that?
You gotta call the federal government, man, to arrest me, man.
on. Slow down.
You gotta call the federal government. Can y'all call
Listen,
them?
I gave you plenty of
Can you
opportunities.
call the federal
You
government?
chose to run.
I didn't run. I just
You didn't run?
No, I didn't.
The body cam says different, sir.
I didn't run from you. You pushed up on me. I didn't run from you.
Well, I told you to not leave, and you don't want to listen.
You gotta call the federal government to arrest me, though.
You got something coming out of your taser.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Otis wanted to run from us. We were
I
just
didn't
trying to
run
have
from you. I didn't run
a
from you guys.
conversation.
I didn't run from you guys.
You wanted to run and take off, so I gave you plenty of
Why don't you
warning.
just go ahead and unhook those? Top button. And you can just pitch those. What you got all hot sauce for, man? Probably get spicy.
Yes, sir.
It's hot today.
That Texas Pete sauce is pretty good.
One more time.
Besides where you got tased, are you hurting at all anywhere, Otis?
We're gonna sit you. Okay, buddy? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I wouldn't pull in there much more.
Leave it.
For EMS.
Otis, why'd you run, man?
I just ran. I told you. I'm not gonna run from you guys.
You definitely took off running, bro.
No, I'm not. I didn't take off running.
Now look, it's going to be on camera. You took off running. I'm just asking you why.
You pushed me.
Who pushed you?
The officer put his hand
Nobody pushed you. We
He
were
put his hand-
literally
he put his
having a
hand
friendly
on me.
conversation.
He put his hand on me, so I went around you. I said, down. I asked you, can I leave? I haven't done that. I was at the bus stop. I went at no Dollar General. Camera. Actually, don't show that from Dollar General. So in order to arrest me, you guys got to have the federal government out here. You cannot arrest me. I think y'all really need to have the federal government to say that y'all arresting me, so they can tell y'all about me.
Looks like you had a few warrants. Is that why you ran?
No, I'm with the federal government.
Okay.
I told you that.
All right, Otis.
I have badges with the federal government and license.
Where are they at?
Federal government got it.
No, your badges?
The federal government. I said to somebody, please call me to tell you what license I got.
Otis, I'm gonna read you this, buddy.
You can't read no rights to
Yeah,
the
the
federal
right to
government.
remain silent. Anything you say can and will
You can't
be
read
used
no
against you in
rights
court
to
of
the
law.
federal government, man.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you. Why are you being questioned? If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. For any question, if you wish, you decide at a time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements.
Can't read me
Do you understand each of these rights I explained to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
Can't read me no rights from the federal government.
So I take that as a no. I was going to ask you about your brand.
I do. You put your hands on me.
He literally
Miranda
was,
rights read perfectly. Supervisor investigates use of force. You tried to run away? Otis admits. I backed back. Didn't want hands on him. Taser probe still embedded.
he literally was talking to us, cooperating, gave me all his info, and then as soon as he heard me on these, he tried to get around the wires, and I grabbed his arm, told him he wasn't free to go, and he
You guys
just
stopped him right there.
took off running. Yeah.
You didn't give her
Yeah, no. I gave him plenty of opportunity. I didn't want to tase you, man, but hey, at that point,
I'm press charges, but that's cool. I'm one with the federal government. I asked
Okay.
you to call them, please.
yeah,
I asked
yeah, it was a
you
good
to please
one.
call the
And then
federal
I
government.
did it again because he wouldn't bring his other hand out. I was sitting on his feet.
Hey, I'm Sergeant Suba. I'm your supervisor. I'm here to obviously conduct a fair and impartial investigation into the use of force applied by my officer against you.
Yeah.
Can you able to tell me what happened?
Yeah, they tried to stop me, said I was in Dollar General, and I wouldn't. I was just at the bus stop, and I pushed my scooter around here.
Then what happened?
They pulled up on me and asked me some questions. She had called my name before she got the car. She said, "Hey, Otis," and I said, "Yeah."
Okay.
Yeah, I got a firearm in there too, so that's why I
You
trying
got a
to.
firearm?
Yeah, that's why I was trying to tell them. Yeah, I was trying to tell them to call the federal government.
Got it.
Yeah, so they can see I got license and stuff.
Got it.
Yes, and they wouldn't do it.
So they tried to stop you, and what
Right.
did you do?
Nothing. I stand there for. Then I stand there for a long time talking to you guys.
Stand there until
I was
you wanted
talking.
to leave.
I was talking to him, and
So
he tried to get in front of me and put his hands on my chest.
how did you end up on the? It looks like you were on the floor, right?
Yeah.
How did you end up on the ground?
He put his hand after I tried to move my scooter and said I wasn't doing nothing. I said, "Y'all stopping me, like detaining me?" And she said, "Not right now." She said, "Just talk to me." So I just tried to move and go on. Because since they weren't detaining me, he stand in front of me and stopped me. Put his hands on me. So I backed back, and that's how it went back and forth. I just tried to run away. I ain't trying to push my hand back on him. I just
So you
tried
tried to run away from officer?
Yeah, I didn't want to put my hands on him or nothing. Because when he put his hand on me, I just backed back, and then I tried to go around him. I said, "Hey, man." Then he went back and forth, and I dropped my scooter. So I ran over here.
Then what happened?
I ran over here.
Okay, then
Yeah, they put me on the ground, tased me a couple times.
tased you?
Yeah.
Okay, anything else?
That's about it. I just stopped.
All right, let me take a picture of yours.
Okay.
Are you hurt right now? Injured?
I just feel more or less overwhelmed, like with the situation and all.
Got it.
Yeah.
Anywhere? Do you have pain? Are you in pain right now
I got a
anywhere?
little bit of pain with me.
Where?
Yeah, my back, son.
Your back?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So was there ongoing issues in your back?
Yeah,
Or?
my back been ongoing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's not a new thing, right?
No,
Okay. So you were trying to run this way or that way?
I was coming down the street.
Coming down this street,
Yeah,
so going north
side,
on
going
Blaine
north.
Avenue.
Yeah, northbound.
And were you trying to check off this way or that way?
And I was just walking, and they just pulled up, and she was like, she got out the car. She was like, "Otis," so I knew she knew who I was. And then
No, you said at some point you were trying to get away from him, right?
yeah, I asked
Check
her
out
was I
the
being detained, and she said no at this time. She said no, and I said, "Can I?" It was basically. It was just basically, I was asking, am I being arrested for something, like being at Dollar General? And she
Alright,
was like,
this-
no. She said they just called and said that you was in there.
I got you.
Yeah.
Okay, so these guys will come and take a look at you
Okay.
and take this probe out and whatnot and go from there, okay? 2 probes.
Still in them? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Back.
That one, and then where's the other one?
Right?
One down
Back.
there. Oh, I see it. Okay, that was just in his underwear, at least. I'm gonna throw this in the back.
Thank you.
I don't see a serial number on it. I mean, it doesn't look like it's shaven off or anything. I just don't see one.
Yeah.
So.
Weird. Okay.
Do you want her to sit with him while he's at the hospital?
Yeah,
Because
so...
he has a couple felony warrants, and then he's probably
Yeah,
Felony
so-
warrants plus weapons charge. EMS en route for probe removal. We gave plenty opportunities. You chose to run. Body cam proves every claim. Arrest complete. Like if federal government defenses hook you. Subscribe next. Walmart I'll pay everything meltdown. Comment. When does welfare check become arrest?